Good morning to all. Sai Ram. Hope you all are very happy at your places. Are you happy? No? Why? Afraid of exams? No. Children, don't take stress. It is your PT2, or I think your for 6th class it is PT2. So, what is your duty? You have to practice both the chapters. What see, question paper be like options type. You will, if you are having if you will get fill-ups, you will get you will get what, you will get options. If you will get MCQ, you will get options. But the main thing in maths is that you should know the basic concept. Okay, so don't take burden, practice, and I think you all will able to do the best. Okay, will you do the best? I hope you all will do the best. Okay, so today I am here with your chapter number 1 with we will do today a quick revision. Okay, let's revise some questions. So you note down these questions, you practice these question, and some extra question from the book. If you are not having book, you so you can see from the net also. Okay, but if you are having book, it is very good for you all. So you can see a previous video which I have provided you for these chapters which are coming in PT2. So today I am here with the chapter number 1, that is knowing our numbers. Okay, let's start practice. See, in this chapter what we have discussed, tell me. Yes, we have discussed what? We have discussed smallest number, greatest number, Indian system, numeration system, Indian numeration system, and international numeration system. Estimation we have seen, round off we have seen in this chapter. We have practiced. So these only we are going to discuss today. Let's see. Let's start. Let's take a quick revise of few questions of this chapter. Okay. This is my first question. The smallest 8-digit number is called what? Yes. Smallest 8-digit number is called dash. Yes. See, you can count here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now remains the lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes, it will be crore. Okay, you have to count in your fingers. In 8th place, whatever positions will come in according to Indian system, you will write that. Okay, so here will come crore. CRORE, crore. Okay, now my next question is, the greatest among all the numbers is, okay, the greatest. See, these are some basic concept I am giving you, that which type of questions will come in exam. So you have to practice these types of questions only, and some extra question which you have done in our videos I have provided you. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to find the greatest number among all these numbers. Yes, so first one is 4536, 4892, 4370, 4452. So the first thing for finding the smallest or greatest number, what you have to observe is, you have to see the what first place. See, it is first place is 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4. In first position it is holding the same number. Now we will proceed for the next. It is 5, it is 8, it is 3, it is 4. Now tell me which is the greatest among these. Either 5, either 8, either 3, either 4. Yes, tell me. 8. Okay, Now the first main thing you have to check out is that you have to count the place, whether it is having 4 digit, each number is having 4 digit, or some one of the number is having 3 digit place. No, we can see here it is having 1 2 3 4, four numbers, 1 2 3 4, every number is having 4 place, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so all the numbers are having 4 positions. Okay, 4 digits are there in each number. So it means we can easily say that the 4892 is the greatest number. Now my next question is 1000 is equals to dash tens. Okay, tens is having which number? 10 tens. Okay, and 100,000 is having 1000. This is 1000. Okay, now it is telling 1000 is equals to 1 is equals to dash tens. See, it is having tens. Okay, and for becoming 1000, how many zeros is it required? It is already having 10. How many zeros it more required? It required 2 more zeros. Yes or no? So it means 1000 will be equal to 100 tens. Okay, because when we will multiply tens by 100, we will get 1000. So it will be equal both side. Here also 1000, and this is already 1000. Okay, so answer will be 1000 is equal to 100 tens. It means 100 is another number and tens is also there. So 100 multiplied 10 is 1000. Now read as Indian system. It is saying read as Indian system. Now what is Indian system of numeration? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is for Indian numeration system. When we will talk about millions, it will be international system. Okay, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000, this is 10,000, and what is 7? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000, and 7 will be lakh. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It will be 7 lakh 7,34,000, because see these two numbers are 1000. This you have done in your small classes. These two numbers are 3 and 4, both are having 1000 place. So we will combine these two numbers and then we will speak. So it will be 7,34,000. 5 is having which place? 5 is having 100 place. So 7,34,000. It will be, we will combine this 7 lakh. This is 7 lakh. This is, we will combine, this is 34,000. 34,000. This will be 500. And we will combine, as you all know, we combine ones and tens place. It become 43. So 7 lakh 34,543. See, you should know to express in Indian numeration system, and you should know the words to express in number system. मतलब आपको words में भी आना चाहिए and you should know in numbers also. Okay. Now round off to the nearest 100. Now next question is round off to the nearest 100. See, it is having 926. I am telling about 100. So it means either it will become 900 or either it will become 1000, because we are holding the hundreds place. We are doing the round off to the 100. Now which number will decide whether it will be 900 or whether it will be 10,000? See, these two numbers will decide, because see, this number is less than 5 or greater than 5. If a number is less than 5, so what will the number will always fall in the back place. It means the number which is written behind. It means this is 9,900, this is 1,000. So these two numbers are less than this 2 is less than 5, or you can say these two numbers are less than 50. So this number will be remain as 900, because or you can easily say that because 926 is nearer to the 900, it is far from the 1000. Okay, so which place will decide that? This 2 will decide whether 926 will become 900 or 1000. If it is less than 5, it will fall always in prior number. If it is more than 5, it will always fall on the back number which is written behind. Okay, so this will be round off to the 900. Okay, this is the round off to the 100, that is 900. Round off to the nearest 100. What is given? Round off to the nearest 100. Yes, so 841, what will do? This is the question. 841, what I have told you now, see, you have to check. See, this is 841, either it will become 800 or either it will become round off to the 900. Which number will be decided by these? This will be decided by this 4, because 4 is less than 5. Okay, this 41 is, you can say, less than 50, so it will fall as 800. It will be nearer to the 800. So rounding off to the this answer will be, its answer will be 800. Okay, now we will do question number 7. Round off to the nearest 1000. Now we will check the 1000 place. It is given 2573. 1 stands 100,000. This is the 2 place. Now it is having 3 place behind. It means either it will become 2000 or either it will become 3000. Which number it will become? Tell me. Round off to the nearest 1000. Which number it will become? See, this will be decided by this 5, because this 5 is equal to the 5, so the number, or you can say this 573, this is, I have told you that you have to check the second place, that means it is 5, it is equal to the 5, so the number will always fall for the behind number. Okay, if it is 5, if it is equal to 5, so what we will do, we will fall for the next number, that is, if it is 2000 or 3000 it will fall, so we will go for the last one, that means it will fall for the 3000 place. Answer of this will be 3000. Okay, now insert commas according to International System of Numeration. Okay, you have to put the comma according to the International System of Numeration. It means 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, like this. International falls for millions. Okay, so what we will do, so as we know, in International System of Numeration, we put the commas according to the 3 place. It means number is this 78921092. It means after each 3 place we will put the comma. Okay, see, 1 2 3, we will put comma here. Okay, then 1 2 3, then the comma will come here. So this is the number which we will get for the International System of Numeration. Now the next is 3 4 5 6 7 3 2 8. We know in International System of Numeration we put comma after each three place. So the comma will come here, then here. Okay, so the answer will be this. Got it? You have to insert comma. Now first question number 9 is 1 kilometer is equals to how many meter? Yes, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Which is the smallest number? You can see here which is the smallest number. See, you can easily see that this is the number which is having only 4 place, 4 digit it is having, and these are the number which are having 5 place, 5 digits. So which number will be the smallest? 5 4 3 2 will be the smallest, क्योंकि इसके पास सिर्फ 4 digits हैं, others numbers are having 5 digits. Okay, others numbers are having 5 digits. So now our next question is the number system for which there is no symbol for 0. Yes, the number system for which there is no symbol for 0. Which is the number system? That is the Roman number system or Roman numerals, you can say. Okay, this is the number system for which there is no symbol for 0. Roman numerals or Roman number system. What is the sum of this? तो आपको add करना है 5 6 7 8 4 3. You can do the sum easily. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 1 carry. 6 plus 4 10. 1 carry 11. 1 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 9 10 and 4 14. 1 4 1 0 will be the sum of these two numbers. Now our question number 13 is the greatest 4-digit number using this. I have already told you, for finding the greatest number, 0 will never hold the place. For finding the greatest or the smallest, 0 will never hold the place of one place. See, it is having 4 digit. 1 2 3 4. We have to fill like this. See what we can see. If I will put 0 in front for smallest or for greatest, any of the number, 0 will not counted as a digit place. Okay, so 0 is a priority which you cannot put in first place. Now it is saying that find the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest means you will write the numbers according to the ascending order. It means the greatest number will come first. Okay, ascending, not ascending order, sorry, it according to the descending order. It means first you will write the greatest number. Which is the greatest among these? 7. Then less than 7, 3. Less than 3, 1. Less than 1, 0 will be at last. So the greatest number which we are getting is 7310. Okay. Now question number 14 is put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. So for putting the correct sign, it is important what you have to count. You easily count the number. See, it is having 6 place, it is having 7 place. Easily we can say 7 place means count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it is having 7 place and it is having 6 place. So easily we can say this is the smallest number and this is the greatest number. So which sign will come? This sign will come. This is the greatest number because. Okay. Now our 15th question is the arrangement from the smallest to the greatest to the smallest is known as dash order. Yes, which order is that? The arrangement of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. From greatest to the smallest. Which is that? Yes, it is which order? It is descending order. descending order. Okay, we are coming from the smallest number, highest number to the lowest number. The arrangement from the smallest to the greatest number is called as dash order. The arrangement from smallest to the greatest is called as dash order. Coming from smallest to the greatest. That is which order? Ascending order. That is ascending order. Okay. I hope you all are clear with this. In this chapter, what you have to practice: smallest number, greatest number, finding, making the greatest smallest number with the given numbers, and for Indian numeration system, international numeration system, rounding off. Okay. So these are the various, putting the sign which is the smallest, which is the greater. These types of questions you have to practice for the exams. And I have already told you which type of questions. See, go through all these questions, practice these questions. Okay. Now the next chapter we will continue in our next slide. Okay. Hope you all will practice and you all will get good marks. Okay. So keep smiling, keep practicing. Thank you. Sai Ram.